Hey everybody, this is Christina and I'm here to help you boost your Russian. This lesson is going to be an advanced listening practice for those Russian learners who are struggling to understand Russian numbers by ear. I get it, it's difficult to understand numbers in Russian, especially when they are spoken fast, but it's a skill that you need to develop, especially if you go to Russia. You have to be ready to understand prices, phone numbers, street numbers, etc. You'll hear 30 numbers in Russian, and each number will be repeated 3 times. The first 2 times there will be no subtitles. You should listen carefully and try to guess what I say in Russian. Then the recording will be played again and the number will be displayed on the screen. Feel free to grab a notebook to write down the numbers when I pronounce them the first 2 times. This way it will be easier to check the answers. Let's go!
917 917 917 1368 1368 1368 74 74 74 52 984 52 984 52 984 276 276 276 1927 1927 1927 176 387 176 387 176 387 20 736 20 736 20 736 1 миллион 27 596 1 миллион 27 596 1 миллион 27 596 205 205 205 2012 2012 2012 5 миллионов 92 187 5 миллионов 92 187 5 миллионов 92 187 916 916 916 2021 2021 2021 298 298 298 1057 1057 1057 21 904 21 904 21 904 19 миллионов 101 412 19 миллионов 101 412 19 миллионов 101 тысяча 412. 578 тысяч 302. 578 тысяч 302. 578 тысяч 302. 45 тысяч 98. 45 тысяч 98. 45 тысяч 98. 379. 379. 379. 1001. 1001. 1001. 20 тысяч 5. 20 тысяч 5. 20 тысяч 5. 347. 347. 347. 9017. 9017. 9017. 32 миллиона 457 тысяч 5. 32 миллиона 457 тысяч 5. 32 миллиона 457 тысяч 5. 10 тысяч 10. 10 тысяч 10. 10 тысяч 10. 12 тысяч 12. 12 тысяч 12. 12 тысяч 12. 3 миллиона 157 тысяч 258. 3 миллиона 157 тысяч 258. 3 миллиона 157 тысяч 258.
Let me know in the comments how it went. How many numbers did you guess correctly? Remember that this lesson is an advanced listening practice. So if you're a beginner, it's okay if you couldn't understand most of the Russian numbers. You'll get there over time. In the meantime, watch my other lessons with Russian listening practice. You can see them on the screen. See you there!